What's up guys? I'm so excited to make this video. I've been talking to a lot of you about this. This video is just basically a few of the things. These are just a few ideas of what you might do if you find yourself bored this summer, you're looking for something to take up some time, or you're visiting Cincinnati and have a day to burn. I think you'll probably be familiar with most of these places, maybe not, but I was surprised at how many people know about them and just have never been. And so I'm gonna try to be the voice of reason here to push you over the edge to go have some fun this summer with your family. Okay, so first up is the splash pad at Home of the Brave Park in Loveland. If you have little ones, then this place is awesome on a hot day. They've got the splash pad, so it's cool, and you definitely need a sunscreen up, but it is usually manageable, although there's not a ton of shade and the summer sun can get you. But there is a park next door, so it covers all the bases. You can go play, you can picnic, you can bring coffee, and you could meet somebody else there. You could call a friend and have someone meet you with their kids to play, and I think it would make a solid spot for all of that. What's great about the splash pad is that it is free, there's no cost to entry, and it's a great way to spend time, burn off some of that summer energy, but stay cool. Now, if your kids are a little bit older and you're looking for a full day of adventure, you probably can't beat Soak City at Kings Island. It's got everything from big slides to lazy rivers, wave pools, and plenty of spots to hang out while the kids are goofing around. And of course, if you're up for a full weekend of fun, then Kings Island and the roller coasters and the whole deal is pretty much the next step up. It's honestly one of the best ways that you can spend a summer day if you're up for a little bit more excitement. This option is a little bit more expensive though. I think day passes are about $50 if you buy ahead of time. And as of 2025, the Gold Pass is $150 per person. So that does add up if you're looking at the whole family. But if you're gonna commit to it and use the passes and go all the time, it's definitely worth it because it's pretty much endless hours all summer. And I think if you have a Gold Pass, that's gonna include Halloween Haunt and Winter Fest as well. So there's a lot that you can do there. I think it's well worth the money if you're gonna spend the time and go. So the last place on the list is great if the weather isn't cooperating, if you need to go indoors or if you're trying to do something that's educational and you wanna mix it up, you just have to go check out the Cincinnati Museum Center if you haven't. It's an awesome place for all ages. The Kids Museum is great for younger kids. There's tons of hands-on exhibits and play areas and stuff for them to do. The Natural History Museum and Science Museum and even just the historical train station building itself are definitely worth the visit. It's one of those places where you can spend a couple hours or you can spend a full day. Usually we end up spending all day there and everyone leaves having learned and seen a bunch of new cool stuff. It's also really affordable. I think the family pass as of 2025 is $180 and that gets you as many times as you can visit in a year plus a bunch of other perks. So you get a lot of value and you can almost always go since it's indoors. Those are just a few of the spots that we'll be going this summer. We'd really love to hear yours. If you've got some go-to spots in Cincinnati, just shoot me a message, reply to this video. We're always looking for new places to check out. And of course, if your summer plans include thinking about moving or a bigger yard, better location, we would love to help you start a search. So have an amazing summer. We'll talk soon.